How hidden fees cost Americans billions? Are you sick of always feeling like you're being nicked and dimed? Come with us as we reveal the shocking truth about secret fees and how they hurt Americans' wallets. Ever think about how those small fees add up to billions of dollars in losses across the country? What are the sneaky ways that companies add these fees without customers noticing, making them feel ripped off? Get ready to learn about secret fees, where every penny counts, and how to keep your hard-earned cash safe. Are you prepared to stop losing money and take charge of your money? There is a possibility that you are paying fees totaling hundreds of dollars each year without even being aware of it. As a result of these fees, American consumers have spent roughly $65 billion annually, according to a study conducted by the White House, and President Biden is interested in taking action to address the issue. It has been proposed by the Federal Trade Commission that a new rule be implemented that would prohibit firms from charging hidden or misleading fees and would require them to display the total price up front. Additionally, efforts are being made by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to mandate that large financial institutions disclose all banking costs in advance. Although these regulations have not yet been implemented, paying attention to them now can assist you in retaining a greater portion of the money that you have worked so hard to achieve. The following is a tutorial that will help you understand these hidden costs as well as what you can do to avoid them. The most typical types of hidden costs. A survey conducted by Consumer Reports found that more than 85% of people in the United States have been subjected to a hidden fee over the past 2 years. Junk fees are generally associated with services in areas such as the entertainment industry, the hospitality industry, the banking industry, and the technology industry. Costs associated with banking. A maintenance fee is the most prevalent type of bank trash fee because it is charged to keep your account open. You can also be subject to costs if you take money from an automated teller machine or if you push your account into an overdraft. The kind of transaction and the bank both play a role in determining the range of these costs. If you swipe your credit card, you can also be subject to additional surcharges. Should you fail to make timely payments on your credit card statement, numerous card issuers will impose a wide range of surcharges on you. In point of fact, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau estimates that in the year 2020, the United States of America paid a total of $12 billion in late payment fees for credit cards. Additionally, in 2019, they paid a total of $15.5 billion in fees for bank overdrafts and costs for non-sufficient having reserves. The cost of hospitality. Have you ever gone to purchase a concert ticket and was surprised to find that the final price was twice as much as the price that was listed? We are grateful for junk fees. When consumers make purchases such as booking a hotel room or purchasing tickets to a live event, they frequently come across various hidden costs. These costs are frequently referred to as service fees, and they do not provide a great deal of information regarding the purpose for which the money is being spent. According to the findings of a study conducted by New York University, the United States of America spent about $3 billion on hotel resort fees in 2018. Quite frequently, you will come across these costs referred to as processing fees or booking fees, costs associated with cable and internet service. When you are dealing with your cable or internet subscriptions, you will also frequently come across hidden expenses. It is possible that you will be charged by a number of providers for either activating your account, which may involve establishing a new phone line or setting up internet or canceling your subscription. According to Consumer Reports, total cable subscription rates paid by customers in 2019 amounted to $28 billion. Fees for travel. In the same way that hotels do, airlines additionally charge fees for doing fundamental actions such as altering or canceling a reservation. In addition, a few airlines have begun charging additional costs for checking a luggage or even checking individuals into their flights. A great number of customers frequently require clarification and further clarity on the overall cost of their airfare because there are so many airlines, each of which has its own set of laws. According to the Department of Transportation, it was estimated that the United States of America paid about $6 billion in baggage fees and change fees to airlines in 2021. Charges for convenience. In recent years, a number of merchants have begun charging customers a fee to use a credit card, which is normally between 1% and 3% of the total transaction amount. When it comes to processing credit card transactions, the majority of businesses are already required to pay these costs, and they are now beginning to pass those fees on to each individual client. You have options when it comes to garbage costs. When it comes to purchasing a product or service, whether it be a car, a hotel room, or a flight, comparison shopping can frequently assist you in obtaining the best possible price. However, it is essential to look beyond the amount that is displayed on the price tag and examine all of the expenditures that are associated with the purchase, including the fees. When it comes to charging fees, every bank, hotel, and merchant has their own unique system. Take note of the way in which their charge structure operates. Before you make a purchase, you shouldn't be scared to inquire about the many options for costs. Make an effort to negate or waive the fees. You might think about contacting the company directly in order to try to bargain or get the fee removed if you discover a garbage fee on your bank account or if you go to the screen where you enter your payment information. Although it is not always guaranteed to succeed, it is nevertheless something that should be tried. Certain service providers will place such a high value on your company that they are willing to collaborate with you. When you are faced with a convenience fee for your credit card, you might want to think about paying the cash in order to avoid having to pay it. Your bills and statements should be reviewed. A significant number of us pay our bills with a credit card or make payments automatically, but we do not always pay attention to the costs that are assessed. Keeping a regular schedule of reviewing your credit card statements and receipts is a critical habit to get into. You should not only make sure that everything is correct and that there is no fraudulent activity, but doing so will also assist you in becoming aware of any additional costs that have been added to your account. You should contact the company in order to receive additional information about the price or to challenge it if you come across a fee that you are unfamiliar with or that you believe might be a garbage fee. You got the ability to seek assistance from a consumer protection organization in the event that you are subjected to a junk fee that you consider to be deceptive or exploitative. You may, for instance, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau against a cost associated with junk banking. In many cases, these agencies will conduct investigations on your behalf and have the ability to take more severe action against these businesses. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau levied a fine of $250 million on Bank of America in 2023 for charging customers twice as much for the same basic banking services. Kate Caden, a YouTuber who focuses on frugal living, talks about 5 practical ways to reduce the cost of living alone. In the event that you are aggravated by a garbage fee, there is a good likelihood that a large number of other customers have also encountered the same situation. In order to share your experience and possibly alert others about the high fees, you might want to think about leaving a review or submitting a consumer complaint on the website of the customer service firm. Now that we've told you the truth about these fees, it's time to take action and get back in charge of your money. Don't let extra costs drain your money any longer. Join our group of smart shoppers who are dedicated to openness and financial freedom. Subscribe now to stay informed, and together, let's put an end to the billion-dollar drain of hidden fees. Thanks for watching.